The Samsung PL80 LM is the largest machine of the Samsung CNC lathe range. It's a world leader in its class due to the 45-degree slant bed design and widely spaced slideways, a feature unique to Samsung. The PL80 LM is ideal for work in the oil industry, as the spindle bore is 321mm diameter. Front and rear chucks are a standard feature on this machine, allowing long components such as pipes and shafts to be fully supported during machining operations. The PL80 LM weighs in at 23,500 kilograms, giving it the rigidity to transmit the power from the 45 kilowatt high-torque main drive motor. The live tooling on the turret is driven by an 11 kilowatt motor, allowing multiple operations to be completed in a single setup. This sturdy turret comes with 12 stations and a 0.25 second index time. The tool shank is 32mm square and the boring bar diameter is 80mm. The PL80 LM swings 1030mm over the 45-degree slant bed, and it has maximum turning diameter of 900mm. For the turning length, there's a choice of 1000 or 3200mm between centres. The spindle has a full C-axis with 0.001 degree positioning, 321mm bore, and the 32-inch 3-jaw hydraulic chuck comes as standard. The spindle nose is ASA A1-20 and it's driven by a powerful Fanuc drive system with an output of 45 kilowatts. The programmable tailstock is extremely robust, featuring a programmable quill which is 180mm diameter with a travel of 150mm and a number 6 Morse taper. The turret can also be positioned in cycle using the turret. Rapid traverse rates are 12 meters a minute in the x-axis and 10 meters a minute in the z-axis. The PL80 LM is equipped with a Fanuc OI TD controller standard, together with a manual tool setting probe, Swarf conveyor and a large Swarf bin. A wide range of options are available to increase your productivity, including hydraulic steadies. For more information on the Samsung PL80 LM CNC Turning Centre, please go to our website, www.dugard.com.